Hello everyone, welcome to Maths. Hope you all are fine. So let's start our today's class. You see, today our question is from algebraic identity. You see, many students got confused in these type of questions, and as I already told you that if you know the right approach, then you can solve this question faster and accurately. So let's see how to solve this question. Okay, so our question is today x square plus 1 by x square is equals to 27. So we have to find out the value of x plus 1 by x. So how to find out this? We can do one thing, x plus 1 by x whole square. Okay, why? Because you know that x plus 1 by x whole square, that means a plus b whole square. Okay, so it's whenever we break it, it's going to be how much? A square plus 2ab plus b square. That means let's write it in x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x plus 1 by x whole square. You see, here we have the value of x square plus 1 by x square is equals to 27. So let's check it out if we can solve this question in this way or not. Okay, so you see, here we have x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x plus 1 by x whole square. So here we can cut this x and x. Okay, so now what we have now, right now, x square plus 2 plus 1 by x whole square. So let's write down here x square plus 2 plus 1 by x whole square. And the interesting part is here this value is already given and is 27. So now let's write here x square plus 1 by x square plus 2, and instead of this we can write here 27, and 27 plus 2 is how much? It's 29, and we got the value of x plus 1 by x whole square is equals to 29. But now how to find out our answer? Because there our question is here x plus 1 by x is equals to how much, that we have to find out. So what things we can do? So what is our next step? I know that you are very smart and know what would be our next step, no? So we have to do now both sides square root of both sides, and we will find out our answer. How? Let me show you. Let's do the square root of x plus 1 by x whole square and root over 29. So obviously whenever we do the square root of this, we will get x plus 1 by x. Okay, and here in our question is there is only, and now it is going to be plus minus root over 29, because 29 is not a square number, so we will have to write in this way only. So plus minus root over 29, that is our answer. Okay, hope you understood and enjoy. So next day we will solve some more interesting questions. Okay, so till then take care of yourself and bye bye.